Gambling machines in the airport. Alright, welcome to day 4. We are home, back in the studio, just to kind of give final thoughts on the Las Vegas trip, the good and the bad. We'll start with the good. Definitely not crowded. If you watch any of the videos, you'll see there's just not people there. Pretty much anywhere that you went, there just wasn't any people. If you're into gambling, it was super easy to get a machine. You pretty much had your choice of machine at any time you wanted it. We went to the same one over and over again because it's the one we liked, and there was never anybody sitting at it. When we went to eat, we were often one of only maybe 2 or 3 people, even in the restaurants. No crowds on the sidewalks. Compared to what we've seen it before, it was pretty much a ghost town. Prices are also really good in Vegas right now as far as getting rooms. They're desperate to get people in, so especially during the week when it is so empty like it is right now, you can get a room cheap. So if you want to save a little money, definitely now is the time to go. But even with the less crowds, a lot of things were Vegas normal. If you're gambling, the waitresses were still coming around, seeing if you needed a cocktail, anything like that. Every time we went out to eat, I mean, it was get right in, get a table immediately, never waited for anything. So crowd-wise, it was really, really good. It was also bad because a lot of stuff was just closed. The majority of the attractions weren't even running. Those that did run only ran Thursday through Sunday. And since we were there Monday through Thursday, the majority of them were just closed. There was a lot we did not get to do. We couldn't ride the roller coaster. All the rides on top of the Strat were closed. They weren't doing the pirate show at Treasure Island. And the Mirage was just closed altogether. Hotel, casino, everything. No volcano show. The Bellagio fountains were going. We did get to see that and did film that. There were a lot of restaurants that were closed. If you have any favorite restaurants you're looking forward to, definitely check first because right now they are closed during the week. So choices were a little limited because the crowd sizes were so low. But other than those things, it was really a great trip. It was a good opportunity with so few people there that we could check out everything we wanted to, see everything we wanted to see as far as up and down the strip that was open without any crowds, without too many people around. I mean, us personally, we walked everywhere we went. We checked at the end. We did 44 miles in 4 days just from walking up and down the strip and through the casinos and the resorts, checking everything out. Now, don't get me wrong, the double-decker bus is still going up and down the strip. You still can ride on that. The monorails and the trams between the resorts, they were all shut down and closed, but you could still always get a taxi or rideshare service. If you are going, definitely use the rideshare service. It is at least half the price of taking a taxi anywhere, so I definitely recommend that. Also, if you want the less crowds, go Monday through Thursday. If you want it to be more people with more things open, try Thursday through Sunday, Friday through Sunday. You'll probably have better luck with things being available, more restaurants open and more of the attractions open if you do that. And one thing to watch out for, because there are less crowds, I think we just noticed it more, but there are a lot of panhandlers and beggars out on the streets. And a lot of the vendors are out there trying to give you the free samples for donations. It seemed like every time we went around a corner, we saw that. That simply could be because with so few people there, they were really stepping up their game and trying to get every single person. So that's just something for you to be aware of. So I hope you enjoyed our videos. We do have more to come. We're going to release the resort tours in the following days. But we'd love to hear which resort is your favorite. We stayed at the New York, but after touring the resorts, I think honestly we would probably stay at either the Paris or the Bellagio next time. I really like their theming, the way they looked on the inside. I also like the fact that they are much more centrally located than we were. Not all that far from the New York, but I think I'd rather be a little more in the middle, just for me personally. So comment below which one you like the best. I'd just be curious to know what everybody else thinks as well. Again, thank you for watching our video. If you did enjoy it, please subscribe to our channel below. We'd love to have you, and have a wonderful day.